Does it seem like no matter how much or little you eat, by the end of the week you have to go to the grocery store again? Well, you can't avoid those groceries, but you can avoid the high costs. We get the ads early before they even arrive in your mailbox, and you know what that means. We do all the hard work for you. So here are some of our favorite grocery deals this week. Start the morning off right with breakfast and deals. Food City has a great sale going on. Buy 2 boxes of participating Kellogg's cereals for $2.47 each, and you're going to score a gallon of milk for free. While you're there, load up on avocados. Get 4 avocados for $1, and also get 3 cucumbers for just 99 cents. We found blackberries on sale at most stores, but the best deal this week is at Bash's'. Get a 6-ounce container for 75 cents each. Bash's' also has tomatoes on the vine, broccoli, and cauliflower for 87 cents per pound. And we can't forget the meat. Sanderson Farms split chicken breast, leg quarters, and whole fryers are all on sale for 89 cents per pound. You also get half-off cooked or raw shrimp if you shop Friday through Sunday. Safeway has pork loin back ribs on sale. Buy one at $8.99 per pound and get 2 packs for free. At Fry's, get T-bone steaks for $4.97 per pound and pay 77 cents per pound for Fuji apples, Arizona navel oranges, and Bartlett pears. Score good deals using the digital coupons at Albertsons. They have 2 liters of 7-Up for 49 cents each, but you must buy 3 in order to get that deal. Also get Stouffer's or Lean Cuisine entrees for $1 off, making them just 99 cents each. And sweeten the deal with a Hershey's Gold Bar. Buy one for 50 cents and get another one free. For more grocery deals, go to our website, abc15.com/smartshopper. And don't forget, tomorrow is Senior Discount Day at Fry's, Bash's', Safeway, and Albertsons. So that means if you're 55 or older, you can score an additional 10% off.